Samsung's 2018 Galaxy A Premium mid-range lineup has been a constant highlight in the rumor mill these past few weeks. After catching a glimpse of the Galaxy A8 Plus 2018 and learning its full specs, we then found out we can expect it, along with the smaller A8 2018 in January, at CES. Check it in this video shared by Campbell Report.
The specs include a 6-inch, 18:9, Full HD Plus display, flat, rather than curved, with octa-core Exynos 7885 chip, 6GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage space. The Galaxy A8 2018 and A8 Plus will be the first Galaxies with dual front-facing cameras, to power Samsung Live focus effects. The leaked specs show a 16-megapixel f/1.9 plus 8-megapixel f/1.9 selfie setup. The rear camera is a 16-megapixel f/1.7 shooter. Hopefully, this applies to both the A8 and the A8 Plus 2018 as well. A 3500 mAh battery with USB Type-C connector, and an IP68 certification for dust and water resistance. A rear-mounted fingerprint scanner. Thanks for watching everybody. Don't forget like and subscribe, share it if you liked.